Okay, so we have another example here of an exponential function. Let's see how it graphs. So I'm going to make a table of values. I'm going to do it way over here. Let me change colors. And I'm going to put in like -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 for x. And then we'll calculate what f of x is. Now, when I put in -2, I get 1/4 to the power of -2. Well, remember that's going to reciprocal, so it's going to be 4 squared, which is 16. Okay, so if you're not understanding that, you might want to stop the video and work that out, so you can see that. All right, the next one, I have 1/4 to the -1. Okay, that's going to be then the reciprocal, which is 4. And now if I plug in 0, I have 1/4 to the 0 power, but that's just going to be 1. And then if I plug in a 1, that's going to be 1/4. And if I plug in 2, that's going to be 1/16. Okay, so -2, 16 is going to be like way up here someplace. -1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And then 0, 1, which is right there. 1, 1/4, which is kind of there. Oops, kind of there. And then 2, 1/16. So it's going this way. It's said to be decreasing. It's going to approach the x-axis. I didn't draw it very well, but it looks something like that. Okay, so it's decreasing very quickly. What are the properties? Domain, all real numbers, -infinity to infinity. Range, 0, but don't include the 0, to infinity. X-intercepts, none. Y-intercept, that's going to be at that point 0, 1 again. And then the asymptote is at y equals 0. So it's that horizontal line. It's not part of the graph, but sometimes they'll draw it in. It's a horizontal line right there on the x-axis. Okay? All right.